Wasted in the left.
Man, what is that? Yes, Ma?
What's so funny is here? I wanna be in the jerk. I wanna ha ha ha. What y'all watching? What y'all doing?
We're just watching YouTube.
Well, what's on YouTube?
Nothing, Ma. Here she goes. I just wanna. She always listen to us. She always doing this and doing that. She always take to the door. Yeah. Ooh, I got an idea. She probably will follow us on this one, but you wanna go in the backyard? Yeah. Let's go. What should we do? Oh, I just remembered something. What? Truth just texted me and said Truth party was this weekend. Did you tell Mama? No, why do we have to tell Mama? Like, these just come pick us up. Like, they are cousins. Woo! This party gonna be lit. Bro, Truth turned 6 years old. Like, she was 5.
Who they think they is? Going outside and not active. This go way too far.
Yes, Mother.
Don't. Yes, mother, me. What y'all doing out here?
Nothing. We're just getting some fresh air.
Fresh air, huh? Get your butt in this house.
Okay, Mother. I think this movie's gonna be scary. Oh, don't go in there! No, good. This one's scary part. Oh, this one is scary one. Michael Myers in there. The killer in there. Who's the part that? Kelly, you heard that? Huh? Probably Mama again. Yeah.
Yeah, it's me. So y'all want to watch a movie? I got something for y'all, but go to bed.